Means of transport. We need to travel from one place to another for different reasons. The place of visit may be close or far away. If the place is far away, we need to use different types of vehicles and, sometimes more than one vehicle. The network of vehicles makes a transport system. Need of transport. Transport is the way by which people and goods are carried from one place to another using different vehicles. It makes our life easier and more comfortable. We need to move from one place to another for many reasons. We have to go out of our home a number of times. Children go to their schools. We have to go to the market to buy things. We visit our friends and relatives. People go to their places of work. Sometimes, we have to visit other towns and cities, which are far off. Goods have to be sent from one place to the other. It is not possible for us to walk to all these places. Therefore, we have to take the help of some means of transport. Means of transport. The vehicles that we use in different modes of air, water and land transport to make our life easier are called means of transport. For example, buses, trains, ships, metros, aeroplanes, spacecraft, etc. are different means of transport. The means of transport we use depends upon three factors: the distance we have to travel, the amount of money we can spend, the time we have for the journey. To travel short distances, we use cycles, two-wheelers and cars. To travel large distances, say from one state to another, we use buses, cars, trains, and aeroplanes. Changes in means of transport. The means of transport kept changing with time. In earlier times, humans used to travel on foot. Covering a long distance on foot was a bit difficult. Slowly, they began to use animals tamed by them to carry loads from one place to another. Later, the wheel was invented and people started using carts driven by animals to move around. This is how the first means of transport was invented. All these means of transport were slower means of transport. With the passage of time, technology improved. Powerful engines were used to make faster means of transport. Vehicles like bicycle, car, bus, train, aeroplanes were invented. Modern technology has redefined transportation. Where the earlier man took several days to cover a few miles, now thousands of miles can be covered in a day's time. Nowadays, we have very fast aeroplanes, ships, trains, metro rails, monorails, elevated transport, and many more. Types of transport. There are three kinds of transport: land, water, and air. Land transport. Land transport is the most commonly used mode of transport all over the world. Buses, cars, scooters, trucks, trains, metro rails, monorails, etc. are the mode of land transport. Roadways. In the villages, people use bicycles, motorcycles, and tractors to cover short distances. People in towns and cities use comparatively faster means of transport. They travel in buses, cars, scooters, taxis, auto rickshaws, etc. Trucks and tankers are the main vehicles used for the transportation of goods from one part of the country to another by road. Animals like horses, donkeys, elephants and bullocks are used to carry loads. They are mostly used in villages. Tonga and bullock carts are pulled by animals. Camel is a very useful animal for people living in deserts. It is called the ship of the desert. It carries load easily and moves fast in hot sandy desert. Railways. Railways are one of the cheapest means of land transport. We use it to travel long distances. In earlier times, steam engines were used to pull the trains. Nowadays, electricity and diesel are used to run trains. Trains run on iron tracks called rail. There are separate trains to carry passengers and goods. Goods trains can carry tons of goods and passenger trains can carry thousands of passengers from one place to another. Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Lucknow, Jaipur and Kochi have metro trains. Kolkata is the only city where tram service is available. Mumbai is the only city which has monorail service. Water transport. Water transport is one of the earliest and cheapest mode of transport. Boats, steamers, yachts, canoes, rafts, tankers, ships are means of water transport. In the past, steamers and boats were the only means of water transport. Nowadays, big ships are being used as they can move fast. Ships carry passengers and goods from one country to other countries. Passenger ships carry people whereas cargo ships carry goods. Tankers carry oil, petroleum, etc. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest mode of transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the means of traveling in air. These help cover long distances in a very short period of time. However, air travel is very expensive, but the number of people traveling by air and the number of airlines have increased. There are a number of international and domestic airports in our country. All these means of transport have brought a great change in the world. People and goods are now carried from one place to another in a very less time. The world has become closer and trade and traveling among various countries have increased many folds.